Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share you a real interview experience from TCS NQT 2026. This happened on April 7th, and trust me, this is not just information, this is something that can actually help you crack your interview. So I asked my friend, "Bro, how was the interview? Was it easy or tough?" He said it completely depends on your resume and the interviewer. He told me one very important thing. Whatever you put in your resume, be ready for deep questions. Like if you mention Java, they will go deep into oops. Or if you mention SQL, they will even go ask you to write a query on the spot. So I asked him about the results. He said results are already rolling out in some regions like Calcutta and other Chennai. If you didn't get mail yet, don't panic. It's common. Then I asked him what happened before interview. He said first is document verification. Even if you didn't have original documents, you can take printout copies attested by your college. And here is something interesting. There is no fixed order, no fixed questions. He said even two students sitting side by side got completely different questions. He told me interviewer asked rate yourself in Java out of 10. He said 7. Then interviewers started asking questions of level 7 only, like deep oops concept to write a code, something like that. And he said oops is very important. They ask concepts like inheritance, method overriding, method overloading, polymorphism, encapsulation, and inheritance also. Even asked him to write pseudocodes. He also mentioned SQL, DBMS, DSA. These are very important. Sometimes they ask you to write a SQL query directly. I asked him, what about prime role? He said, bro, prime is next level. They even asked AI concepts, machine learning basics, chat GPT and Gemini structure. So he told me one final thing. Be ready for everything. Don't depend on a fixed syllabus because interview can suddenly shift from coding to SQL to theory. So guys, this was a real experience from TCS in QT 2026. If you are preparing, focus on resume, oops, SQL, basics of trending technology. If you want more real interview experience like this, please like and subscribe this channel. That's it in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.